He may be the most chiseled and fit actor in Bollywood today. लेकिन it seems Tiger बचपन से ही काफी cute थे, and his rumored girlfriend Disha Patni seems to agree. Tiger Shroff has created a physique that no one in the business can hope to match or beat except for Hrithik, who used to once be six-pack ready all year round. The young actor has created a huge fan base for himself in a short period of time with his awesome dancing skills and the daring action sequences he does in his movies. Lekin he was not always this buffed up 2.5 kilo ka haath wielding machine that he is now. In fact, he was a cute little boy who posed with his mom Ayesha Shroff and sister Krishna like so many of us 90s kids in, well, 90s children fashion. Well guys, I'm sure all of you will agree with me when I say that when it comes to the perfect physique and the perfect dance moves, Tiger Shroff जैसा कोई नहीं है. In fact, his rumored girlfriend Disha Patani has also apparently been bitten by the workout bug. Now, the two of them often post pictures and videos of themselves training together, and more often than not, they are in enviable form. लेकिन टाइगर हमेशा ऐसा नहीं दिखते थे. He didn't have the washboard abs and the rippling biceps. But according to a lot of women and some men, he still had the cute quotient. Here's the story. Tiger ki mom Ayesha Shroff recently posted some throwback pictures of Tiger and his sister Krishna, which the actor's fans found extremely adorable. It was a treat to see a chote se Tiger looking absolutely innocent and perhaps clueless of just what a huge star he's going to be. Pictures mein Tiger is in a little white sweater and looks perfectly happy just posing with radiant mom Ayesha and little sister Krishna, who is being carried by Ayesha in her arms. Ayesha captioned this picture with her two little kiddos, me and my khazana, Tiger Shroff and Krishna Shroff. She also shared a solo childhood picture of Tiger who seems to be wondering where the camera is and captioned it, my Gunda. Not surprisingly, the pictures were flooded with thousands of comments, but we spotted that Tiger's good friend, Disha Patani, who also happens to be best friends with his sister Krishna, also dropped in a comment on Ayesha's post and wrote, "So cute." While Tiger has been home through the lockdown with his family and has been making extra efforts to stay fit, so he is ready to start filming whenever shoots resume for his pending projects. Disha has also been busy with work and is said to be taking multiple online narrations from filmmakers. We hear she may be finalizing which project she wants to do next and is making sure to stay in touch with the business even if it is from home. We hear that the actor who recently announced that she will be endorsing 2 brands is also staying fit like rumored boyfriend Tiger, so she is in the best shape to start filming for her film Radhe, Your Most Wanted Bhai with Salman Khan very soon. Well, Tiger and Disha, we can't wait to see the two of you on screen again. Whether it's together or separately, we really don't mind.